Hello everyone guys. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a bucket in the Google Cloud platform, which also known as GCP. So if you are working in the cloud computing or the data engineering or using the services like BigQuery, Airflow, Dataflow, then this Google Cloud Storage is one of the most important services that you should know. To use the cloud storage, the first things we need is bucket. So in this video I will explain you what is bucket, why we use it, and then I will also show you how to create one step by step in the detail way. So guys, the bucket in the GCP is storage container. You can think like container where we can keep our all files and the data in the cloud. So these files are anything, like let's say you have the CSV files, JSON files, images, or videos, backup, logs, or applications data. So guys, in this bucket, you can store all the files. So we can call as object in GCP side. So simply remember. So guys, bucket is nothing but your container, and files inside that bucket is nothing but are the objects. So Google Cloud Storage is guys designed to secure, scalable, and highly available. So that's why it's widely used in the real world cloud um, projects. So now the question is guys, why do we use bucket, right? So guys, bucket are used for storing the raw data, backup files, applications log, and then website assets, and the files required for the analytics, or let's say if you are building some machine learning workflows. Okay, so guys, bucket is very important as a part of our cloud architecture. So now let's move and with the practical demonstrations. So guys, first open your GCP console. Okay, so by going the console.cloud.google.com, after login make sure that you have selected correct project. Okay, then this is important because the bucket will be created inside this project only. So guys, once your project is selected, now go to this navigations menu on this left hand side and search for the cloud storage, and then click on the bucket. If you go to this cloud storage, let me scroll down, and if you go to this cloud storage and if you click on the buckets, okay, so here you will see all your buckets you are inside your project. So to create new one, you just need to click on this create button. Now we begin with bucket creation. So guys, keep in mind this name should be globally unique. This means no one else in the world should already be using the same name. So choose the name that is specific and then meaningful. For example, let's say my GCP demo bucket 2026. Okay, and guys, bucket names are contain the lower cases, numbers, dashes, underscore, and dots. Avoid the spaces and the special characters. Let's say if you use some special characters, then it will give some error, right? So, and if I just give the any space, then it will also give the error. So guys, keep in mind. So once you enter your bucket names, then click on this continue button. Then guys, this section is nothing but region. So like here you will see dual region, zone, multi regions, right? So for the most beginner or learning purpose, we will go with the region. uh, for example, let's say if you are in India, so you can select the Mumbai region. So let me say, yeah, ICS South 1 Mumbai. So guys, why it is important? Because selecting your nearby region can improve your performance and reduce your latency. So guys, you can just click on the next. Then guys, storage class, this defines how often you will access the data and how much it will cost. So you will see the options like standard, nearline, code line, archive, right? So let's say if you are accessing the data regularly, then you can select this standard one. This is best option for, and so this is best option for your guys active workloads. And if you see the nearline, so best for the backups and data access less than month, and this is less than quarter, right? So an archive for the long term storage. So for learning and day to day use, standard is recommended one. So after that, you need to just click on this continue button, and then guys here the some axis control, right? So here you will see the two options like uniform and fine grain. So guys, uniform is easier to manage because permissions are applied at the bucket level, and guys the fine grain gives the object level permission. So most of the cases guys uniform is recommended choice, so especially for the beginners. So let me click on the continue. So guys, now you will see some additional protection settings. So this may includes your versioning, then soft delete policy, retention period, right? This retention. So for now guys we will keep it as it is, but in productions this versioning is very important because if the file is overwritten or the deleted, then you can recover your previous version using this object versioning. So guys, once the settings are done, let me create on the create button. You can just click on the confirm. So guys, this is how you can use your cloud storage in the GCP. So guys, in the real world projects, buckets are often used as a starting point for your data pipelines. For example, you can upload the CSV files into the bucket and process using the data flow or the airflow, and then you can load the data in the BigQuery for reporting and the analytics purpose. So to understand the bucket is foundation skill in the cloud computing. So let's upload one object. Let me click on upload files. Let's say kd.csv. Okay, so let's upload this object. Okay, so if you check here, the object is uploaded successfully. Now you will see your object name, sites created, storage class that is standard, right? Then object content, public access, encryptions, object retention, all the settings. And if you just click on here, you will see like you can copy the public URL, copy your GSUtil URI. You can copy, move, rename, delete the object from here. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments what GCP topic you like to learn next. So guys, see you in the next video. Thank you.